Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a country in South America and a neighbor to Chile, Bolivia, Paraguay, Brazil, and Uruguay. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Argentina, Argentina, Na. So, when we put it all together, it's pronounced as Argentina. Argentina is rich in cultural heritage and natural resources. Famous for its tango music and dance, delicious cuisine like asado, and stunning landscapes that range from the Andes Mountains to the Pampas Plains and Patagonian steppes. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Argentina, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.